Now, Egypt has cleared the backlog of investors seeking to repatriate funds. This is seen as an indication that the shortage of hard currency crippling the economy is now easing. However, Bloomberg reports this may only apply to investors in stocks and bonds who had at least $100 million awaiting repatriation by mid-January. Authorities have removed restrictions on the pound, cut subsidies and secured a $12 billion loan from the International Monetary Fund. A $4 billion Eurobond issuance last month has also boosted reserves to their highest levels in more than 5 years. And staying in Egypt, the country's once flourishing leather industry has been beset by countless conundrums. These include competition from cheaper imports, the increasing cost of production, and stringent government policies. Industry players are now calling on President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi's government to intervene and get the industry back on its feet.
Workers at this tannery are hoping the leather industry will bounce back. It has been marred by numerous challenges, from rising costs, competition from cheaper imports from Asia, and bureaucratic measures.
Imported products are not the best in quality. But for families which have 3 or 4 children, it's affordable for them to buy compared to the local products, which are made out of natural leather that is good but more expensive. They choose the first option, even if this product won't last for long.
We import raw materials and accessories, and anyone who brings us these things brings for himself ready-made products from the same country. How can we manufacture and sell our products then? If the manufacturing process will cost us £1, he buys the ready-made product for 90 pastas.
Considering the fact that the industry is labor-intensive, Mohammed feels their input is going to waste.
Where is our handmade work? It's a pity that the things we exert much effort to manufacture are thrown on the streets and sold for very low prices.
Despite more than 17,000 tanneries and factories operating in the North African country, most consumers still prefer imported products, which is a big blow to the local industry.
I prefer the imported products because their quality is better. I spend money anyway, so it won't matter if I pay for imported products. The price difference is not big.
Mohammed Zalat, a shoe factory owner, is appealing to the government to ease the rigorous bureaucratic measures to enable local manufacturers import raw materials with little or no impediments.
We want the government to support us in facilitating the entry of raw materials to the country. The inspection must be carried out faster, and there must be customs facilities that will allow us to speed up the manufacturing process. Speed is very important because by the time we finish a product, it might be outdated.
While African countries are home to 20% of the world's cattle, sheep and goats, they produce only 14.9% of the world's output of hides and skins. The continent's key strength is the availability of raw hides and skins, and the global forecast that world demand for leather in the coming years will be greater than supply gives hope to the African leather industry. Catherine Omwando, CGTN.